Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a fun video. We just got to our new house and I'm going to give you guys a tour of our house, and I'm so excited and I'm excited to show you guys because it's been some months, as y'all know what happened in the last house. But yeah, we got to our new house, so I'm going to take y'all to show y'all around. Alright guys, so this is our front door, and then this is the living room area. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, so I'm super excited. So this first room is my little brother's room. He gets his own room, which he didn't have his own room in the old house. He slept with my mom, but I feel like he's still gonna sleep with my mom. Anyways, and then coming over here, going this way, this is my mom's room. So this is my mom's room. She has a sliding door, and then say hey mom. What? Turn the light on. I gotta turn. So she has she has her shower here, which I think is cute. She has a solo toilet. Love her mirrors. Look at her mirrors. How cute. So cute. And then she has her closet. Her last closet was way bigger than this one, but it's totally fine. There's a view of the living room, of the outdoor. Then we have a sliding door. We have a back patio, which is, this back patio is super long, which I love. And then we go this way, and then to the left we have my room, which this room is gigantic. I feel like it's bigger than my last room. And we got a closet and we got a window, and I already know how I'm gonna format everything. Then coming out over here, we have a bathroom here, which I think is so cute. I love it. I love the mirror. I think the mirror is very cute. Come this way is my sister and her husband's room, and they also have a sliding door which goes to the back patio. And they have a closet and they have their own bathroom because, you know, my sister's having a baby, and they got a window here. I am so excited that we're here, and we're about to move some stuff in, so it's a lot that we got a lot that we're about to do. But I just want to give you guys a little tour of this house and then start moving some stuff in. And like I told you guys, I'm not going to do a room transformation video in this house because it's going to be the same as our other house, which I think, you know, I'm not buying anything else because I bought so much new stuff for that house, and I was like, I'll bring it over here. So I'm gonna go move some stuff in. I need to change because it's hot, y'all, and I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. It is a Sunday. It's literally 8:18. I went to church this morning, and then I had like a busy day. But I'm gonna give you guys a overview of my room. We've officially moved in. I have my bed up and stuff, and I'm just like continuing to unpack. I'm about to hold up my clothes and start sticking them in my closet. Got a lot to do, but I'm gonna show you guys how my room's currently looking. These are my tights. I have my end table here. This is filled with stuff. This is filled with clothes. This is all decor. As you can see, like I said, I'm folding them. This is how my closet currently looks. It looks a mess, but obviously, like I said, we just got here. I have my mirror here, my dog. I put my table here, my desk I'm at. Here's a box here, my dirty clothes basket, jackets. Here's my bed, my end table. If you guys notice, I do not have my headboard, and that's because it got dirty in the last house and it was disgusting, so I have to buy a new one. But this is what I've literally been doing for the past 30 minutes, just folding it, and I'll put all of my stuff here and just like organizing it. But I'll go through all of this stuff tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's 9 o'clock. I am up early because, like I said, I want to start looking through some stuff and getting these boxes out. I do need to go through this box because this has some of my decorations in it, so I want to just get it all out. And then I want to go through these 2 bags, and then that luggage. That box, the green bin, has my clothes in it, so like I said, I gotta get hangers. Y'all, I can't find my comforter set. I don't know where it is, so hopefully I find it. But so far I'm gonna show you guys how my closet looks, because like last night I organize my clothes and stuff, but I still obviously have more to organize. This is how it looks. So I put all my clothes here, have my shoes here, I have some of my decor here, only a little bit obviously of my clothes, and I put some stuff up here which I can organize it better. I'm gonna look through my boxes to start, like I said, getting stuff out of my room, and then, you know, doing it piece by piece, because I don't really have a lot of stuff, but like I said last night, I'm missing some stuff as well, so gotta find that. Alright, so this box is closed, and I'm so happy because I already had stuff on hangers, and all I can do is just grab them and stick them in my closet. So I'm going to do that actually right now so I can get this box out of my room. Y'all, my picture from my TV show, it broke. Oh my god, it's broken glass. So I gotta take this out and throw this away. Oh my gosh. Oof. So I'm currently in our kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Like I said, we just moved here, so you know, you guys already know it looks crazy. So we have all of our trash boxes here, and then like I'm going to start putting these cups and stuff up because my mom's at work, so just like starting to declutter everything and get everything organized. And yeah, it's just very empty right now until my mom's getting a new furniture set and all that stuff, but we got like all of the big stuff and like all of the glass and stuff. But yes, I'm gonna just start putting the cups and stuff away. Yeah, we don't have any more boxes in here right now, thank God, but we do have a bag of like our pots and pans that I'm gonna put away as well, so that when my mom gets home, it's like one less thing that we have to do, and then she could just focus on her room. And I'll show you guys how my room looks right now, because I finished taking everything, like all of this stuff out of the boxes as well. But let's get this organized, and I'm gonna make me some breakfast because your girl is hungry.